can solve the differential equations very easily. We can solve differential equations very easily. Then another application of Laplace transform is that in signals and systems, we can talk about the system. How is the behavior of the system for different inputs? Then another advantage of Laplace transform and Fourier transform is that we can solve the electrical networks. In the last semester, you have studied the network which has switches, transients, right? So that network can be easily solved with the help of Laplace transform. So we will start with the definition of Laplace transform. So consider, suppose we have one x of t, a continuous function. X of t is a continuous function. Continuous means it is present for all times. Means it is present 0 onwards, it is present, or 0, or maybe it can be like that. The meaning is that it is continuous in nature. It is continuous in nature. So I have considered one function x of t which is continuous function. अब इसका Laplace find करना है. We have to determine the Laplace of this. So the definition of Laplace transform is, so very important definition. So integration, what is the definition? Integration 0 to infinity this function x of t, ये जो भी x of t फंक्शन होगा ये यहाँ पे आपको पुट करना है, into e raised to power minus st. S is the Laplace variable. What is S? S is the Laplace variable and t is the time. So x of t dot e raised to power minus st into dt. So we are integrating with respect to time. Okay. So if we solve this integration, we will get the Laplace transform of the signal. ठीक है? Definition clear? Very simple definition. You have to remember this definition. Integration 0 to infinity x of t dot e raised to power minus st into dt. What is S? S is the Laplace variable. What is t? T indicates the time. Small t indicates the time. What is S? S indicates the Laplace variable. S indicates Laplace variable, small t indicates time. And x of t is one function. X of t is any function. Chalo. In the chat box, you tell me up to this, the definition is clear. If the definition is clear, please reply in the chat box. If definition is clear to you, please reply in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Chalo. S is what? S is a complex variable. S is a complex variable and it is given by sigma plus j omega. Okay. So पहले दिन ही ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करेंगे. Omega is nothing but the frequency. Omega is nothing but the, this omega is nothing but the frequency. J is nothing but the complex number and sigma is the attenuation. अगर आपको अभी एक चीज याद नहीं हो रही तो भी चलेगा, but important thing is the definition. Important thing is the definition. That function into e raised to minus st dt, and we are having one integration 0 to infinity. और s का expansion ऐसा रहता है, where omega is frequency, j is a complex number and sigma is the attenuation. Okay. So now whenever the limits are 0 to infinity, whenever the limits are 0 to infinity, जब हम लिमिट्स लेते हैं 0 to infinity, it is called as unilateral Laplace transform. It is called as unilateral Laplace transform or one-sided Laplace transform. ठीक है? Whenever the limits of integration are 0 to infinity, it is called as unilateral Laplace transform or one-sided Laplace transform. Okay, चलो जल्दी से बताओ मुझे, if I take the limit minus infinity to infinity, then what it will be called? जब मैं 0 to infinity लेता इसको बोलते हैं unilateral Laplace transform. Now when I take from minus infinity to plus infinity, what it can be? Reply in the chat box. Unilateral का synonym bilateral. Bi means it is considering both the directions from minus infinity to plus infinity. Uni means it is going from 0 to infinity. एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं 0 से लेके infinity तक. आप 0 पे खड़े हैं, you are standing at 0, and if you are going in only one direction from 0 to infinity, it is called as unilateral Laplace transform. And if you are going in both the directions, you are considering both the directions minus infinity to infinity, it is called as bilateral Laplace transform. So that is the second note. When integration limits are minus infinity to infinity, then it is called as bilateral Laplace transform. And this is the definition of bilateral Laplace transform. Okay. This is the definition of bilateral Laplace transform. Integration minus infinity to infinity x of t e raised to minus st dt. Okay. नाउ अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो ये इंटीग्रेशन में e रेज टू पावर माइनस एस टी बहुत बार आ रहा है, राइट? चलो तो फिर यू मस्ट रिमेंबर द बेसिक्स. अगर आपको बेसिक्स पता नहीं है, बेसिक्स याद नहीं है, आप गड़बड़ कर जाएंगे. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल सॉल्व द इंटीग्रेशन. इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व करने के बाद आप क्या करेंगे? यू आर गोइंग टू सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस इंफिनिटी minus infinity, right? In place of t, you are going to substitute this infinity minus infinity, right? So now you have to tell me what is the value of e raised to power minus infinity. Anyone? कम से कम 100 से 200 बार हमको ये चीज लगने वाली है. e raised to power minus infinity. What is the value? 0. So don't, those who have confusion, they must remember this. E raised to power minus infinity value is 0. E raised to power minus infinity value is 0. Okay. Next, what is value of e raised to power infinity? If your answer is infinity, write in. If your answer is infinity, write in the chat box. What is value of e raised to power infinity? Anyone? Anyone answer e raised to power infinity? Infinity. So e raised to power infinity is infinity. So that this thing we will require frequently. So don't get confused. Okay. And very simple, e raised to power 0 or any number to the power 0 is always 1. Any number to the power 0 is always 1. 0 or minus 0, no problem. It is always 1. Okay. So these three values we will require frequently. These three values we are going to require frequently. E raised to power minus infinity, e raised to power infinity, and e raised to power 0 or e raised to power minus 0. Next. And this integration also you must know. E raised to power minus 80 dt as integration, e raised to power minus 80 upon minus a. This integration again we will require frequently. Then integration e raised to power 80 dt is, see here I am not available to teach you the integration. It is expected that you might have studied this in 12th and in your first year. e raised to power at upon a. So these are some basic integrations. Those who don't remember, those who don't know, please mug it. क्योंकि कम से कम 100 बार हमको ये इंटीग्रेशन लगने वाला है. ये वैल्यूज वी विल रिक्वायर 100 टाइम्स. So mug these values. Then e raised to power a plus b. By law of indices, we can split e raised to a dot e raised to b. E raised to power a plus b we can split as